Hi, Stephen Barrett here. Today I want to talk to you about charging structures for pensions and investments. It can be quite confusing for people, all this talk of allocation rates and management fees, which is the best option for you, what way do they actually work. So I'm going to go back to the whiteboard and show you a few examples so you have a good idea of which offers the best value for money. It's easiest to explain allocation rates and management fees when we do an illustration, so you can see the effect, which one's better. So we're going to start with an investment of 100,000. Okay, now you have allocation rates, which is how much of your money is actually invested. So if you give 100,000, how much do you actually get? The other one is management fee. This is a fee that's deducted on an annual basis. Now, I said we're working with 100,000, so we'll have option 1, 2, and 3. Under option 1, your allocation rate is 100,000, so you give them 100,000, 100,000 is invested. Option 2 is 102%, so you get an extra €2,000 invested, and option 3 is 104%, so you get an extra 4,000 invested. Now, what are the management fees? 0.5% under option 1, 0.75% under option 2, and 1% under option 3. I hope you see the pattern that's emerging there, that the extra allocation that you get, this bonus money, this 4,000 extra, is going to cost you in the long run, with the effect of you're paying 0.5% per annum in annual management fee. So what is the long-term effect of the different allocation rates and management fees? So I ran some figures assuming a gross return of 6%. So when I ran the figures, if it's 6% in option 1, 6% gross, then the net return is 5.5%, and under option 3 it's 5%. So after 5 years, option 1 is worth 136.96. Option 2 is 131.737, and option 3 is 132.733. So you can see in the short term, having extra money at outset works in your favour. After 10 years, we have 170,814. Option 2 is 171.45, and under option 3 it's 167.493. So you can see the effect of the higher management fee in just 10 years has made it very unattractive, and that's the power of compounding. So we'll go on the last one. We have 20 years. We have 291.775 under option 1, 283.819 under option 2, and option 3 is 258.785. So you can see there's a huge difference there between these two figures. But which is the one that you probably would have looked at the outset? It's probably this one here. Wow, they're going to give me an extra €4,000. Why would they do that? Because it's going to be recouped over the long run if you have it for 20 years. It's going to be 33,000 in the difference. That's a big difference. That's a lot of money. So I hope that makes sense to you. I hope that made the charging structures a bit clearer to you. As you can see from the figures that I produced, that it does work out in the long run as better value to have lower management fees and a lower management fee. So don't be dazzled by this high allocation rate where someone's going to give you a bonus for your money to go in, because it's usually tied to a higher management fee, which will cost you in the long run. That goes to show you the power of compounding. So if you have any questions at all, or you want further clarification on allocation rates and management fees, don't hesitate to give me a shout. You can get me at 01485 3305 or drop me an email at stephen@bluewaterfp.ie. Talk to you again soon.